and today in this video I'm going to be making something that I haven't made for a while. So as you guys know, I like pallet wood a lot and I haven't done a pallet wood project for ages, so I thought I would do one for you guys today. And also thank you for all of my subscribers that have come over to my channel recently. I really appreciate it. So today I thought I'd make a mini pallet. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. Okay, so here we have a pallet. And what I'm going to do with it is just make it smaller because I thought it'd be quite funny. I hope you like it. So we need 9 blocks for the pallet, so I have marked on here 9 blocks. I'm going to cut these out now on the bandsaw. Just made 9 of these planks of wood to go in the mini pallet, and now what I'm going to do is use this long piece of pallet wood here. I'm going to cut it and use it for the base and the top of the pallet wood. So now I need my assistant to bring me some nails. Frame. Now, just need to do the top. So I've just finished making the base, and now what I'm going to do is put these 2 blocks on, then we can make our slats. Now I'm going to cut this one up to make my slats. Mini pallet. Okay guys, so here is the mini pallet, and it's not perfect, but what pallet is. So I thought I'd make something quick and easy you can all try at home. And all it is just using some pallet wood, some nails, and a saw. And also, I'm going to set you guys a challenge. Can you make a smaller pallet than me? So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and put in the comments below what you think about this pallet. Also guys, don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.